Mathematics requires a lot of dedicated practice and understanding of concept. Some students enjoys it while the others are afraid by the numbers. If you are choosing to appear for an Olympiad, you choose to open yourself to opportunities. Opportunities that showcase their skill to play with numbers. Every year, thousands of students participate in Olympiads organized by Indian Talent Olympiad itself. Hence, you need to prepare smartly so that you could stand out and make a mark. So, here are some pro tips. Using it, you not only crack Maths Olympiad but also prepare for the ultimate IMO. Tip number 1. Practice and revision. It is a habit that you have to develop to crack any Olympiad. For practice, you need resources. For resources, you may check out official websites of Olympiads. Here, you could get both free and paid study materials like workbooks, model test papers, sample papers, and previous year's question papers. Tip number 2. Make a schedule. A perfect schedule comes when you make it all by yourself. You know your limitations and priorities. You may need to change your schedule. Do it till you get your perfect one, the one which is most comfortable to you, and then follow it like mad. Tip number 3. Know the syllabus. You should be well aware of the syllabus associated with the subject to get a proper idea of the probable topic and related questions. Although all Olympiads have similar syllabus, but to know exact syllabus, you need to go through their workbooks and websites. Tip number 4. Understanding, focusing, and relaxing. To avoid pressure of exams, take breaks between two continuous stretches of study time. It will help your mind retain information better. Also, try to complete your task within the allotted time without any distractions. And then, when you take a break, relax properly for another push start. Tip number 5. Know the question paper pattern. Be aware of marks distribution, question pattern, and question types. Always refer official resources to better know the pattern. Tip number 6. Solve previous year's question papers. Solving previous year's question papers, it is my favorite. It not only familiarizes you with the syllabus and pattern, but also raise your confidence, which is a must to have. You may check out my channel for various mathematics question papers. Tip number 7. Make quick notes. Good for revision and to retain information better. When you make notes, you get to focus and retain the point of importance. Reading along with writing aids long-term retention. These help in the quick revision of important topics and can be further reused to keep in touch with associated topics. Tip number 8. Time management. Correctly solving a set of given questions in the given time is what leads to a better score. This requires much patience and practice to develop. You have to keep a track of the time that you spend on similar questions. This will help you in the exam to deal with the pressure of ticking clock. Bonus tip. Here I have a bonus tip for you, which is most powerful of above all tips. That is an early start. This is my strength. When you start an early preparation, you are already one step ahead of your competitors. Working on something from the start and dedicating a constant effort with a defined strategy will definitely help you to prevent last-minute panic. I'm sure that these tips would help you prepare well for the Maths Olympiad as it helped me. ITO organizes various Olympiad and millions of students had participated in it. For more details and registration for the exam, check out the official website of ITO. Link is in the descriptions below. All the best for your exam. Bye.